Meaning of dried fruit.
Dried fruit.
Dried fruit.
Dried fruit.
Dried fruit. Dried fruit is fruit that has had all or most of the water content removed through a drying process, either naturally by sun-drying or artificially through the use of specialized dryers. This process extends the shelf life of the fruit and concentrates its flavor and nutrients. Dried fruit can include a variety of fruits such as raisins, apricots, figs, prunes, and dates. When dried, the fruit shrinks in size and becomes chewy, with a texture and taste that is sweeter and more intense than fresh fruit. It can be eaten as a snack or used in cooking and baking.